I love spending time with family. I love spending time with family. We have a family dinner. We have a family dinner. We go on family trips. We go on family trips. We celebrate birthdays together. We celebrate birthdays together. We celebrate holidays together. We celebrate holidays together. I talk to my parents every day. I talk to my parents every day. I call my family often. I call my family often. My brother is funny. My brother is funny. My sister is kind. My sister is kind. My father is hardworking. My father is hardworking. My mother is caring. My mother is caring. My grandparents are sweet. My grandparents are sweet. I love my siblings. I love my siblings. Family is important to me. Family is important to me. I miss my family. I miss my family. We are a happy family. We are a happy family. My family is close. My family is close. We like to play games together. We like to play games together. We like to watch TV together. We like to watch TV together. We like to eat together. We like to eat together. I have a big family reunion. I have a big family reunion. I have a small family reunion. I have a small family reunion. We take family photos. We take family photos. We share family stories. We share family stories. Family means everything. Family means everything.